Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Spring Hill, local and long distance movers near me. A local move is over 50 miles to your current place of residence or business and is a long distance relocation. And these moves can fall within a current state or well out of it. We at 3 Movers provide the best long distance moving services to our clients. We provide them, our clients, with insurance that protects them from all risks incurred during the move. We also provide them with a secure relocation. To facilitate long distance moves, we ensure that we get the federal and state permits, thereby granting your relocation local credence. How fast do we get your belongings to your new location? Short answer, very fast. We're always punctual with relocations, and also we ensure that your items are in their proper condition when we deliver them to you. Our movers are also highly trained to handle properties with care and will sort and load your belongings delicately in exceptional moving trucks. These trucks can accommodate household items in different sizes, and these trucks are also well placed and balanced. And under the expert hands of our drivers, they are a machine to reckon with. Rest assured, your long distance relocation is in good hands. Even though they don't boast the same distance or level of complexity, local relocations still require a great deal of competence to be successful. We are the top choice for you when you decide to relocate, especially in a city like Spring Hill. We're very affordable, charging about $30 to $40 every hour. Trust us for your relocation, and we can assure you that you wouldn't regret placing your trust in 3 Movers. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Spring Hill moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.